Hello everyone, my name is Akash, and in this video we'll be talking about the Honor 9X Pro, and the first thing which you need to do after you purchase the Honor 9X Pro. So watch the video till the end. And guys, before starting the video, let me just tell you that I was reading the reviews of Honor 9X Pro on Flipkart, and many of the users have just said like this that they do not know how to install the apps in the smartphone. So guys, let me just tell you that no phone comes with the pre-install apps, and you need to install those apps with the app store provided, like in the GMS you have that Google Play Store, but this time in this smartphone which is on a 9X Pro, it's not the GMS way but the HMS way. And here you get the app gallery, that's Huawei's app gallery, and you can install all the apps from the Huawei app gallery itself. Apart from that, let me just tell you that this phone is running on Android, so you also have option of downloading apps from other app store as well. So in this video I'll be telling you about the same, so watch the video till the end. So guys, as you can see here, I have my Honor 9X Pro, and so guys, let me just tell you that the smartphone comes with the HMS and not with the GMS. So the first thing which you need to do in your phone when you purchase this Honor 9X Pro, you have to look for this app, which is the phone clone app. And guys, it's very simple to use. As you can see that it shows you that this is the new phone. When you select this thing, it will ask you that the old phone type. So in your old phone you have to install the same app, which is this, the phone clone app. In your old phone you have to just install this app and select here that this is the old phone, and in this new one, that is the Honor 9X Pro, you have to select this, this is the new phone, select the own phone type and just pair it. It will automatically transfer all your user data from your old phone to this new phone, and the same thing I also did with this smartphone. Basically I was using the Honor 9X and I transferred all my data from my Honor 9X to Honor 9X Pro using the same phone clone app. Apart from that, guys, many were asking me about the app gallery, so let me just show you that app gallery comes with almost all the apps which you want to download. Like it's all it's showing it like we have this Snapchat and all, we have Xander, Explorer, Snapdeal, we also have that Flipkart. Many were asking me about the Flipkart app, so guys, we have that Flipkart. As you can see, it's already installed. We also have this Myntra, AGO, all other apps, and we also have this government app, which is this Arogya Setu app, which is very important these days. And apart from that, there are almost all the apps available. Now let's talk about which apps are not available yet on the app gallery and how you can download that. So guys, as you know that if I type here and check for Instagram, right, so we don't get Instagram over here. Also Pubg is not available yet, it's showing, but you can add that to the wish list, and if I check, it's searching. So that's wish list, and that feature I will explain in my next video. So better if you subscribe the channel. And guys, now let me just tell you that how you can download the Instagram and other apps like Pubg and all that if you're not getting any app on this smartphone in this app gallery. So from where you can download that, it's very simple. We have this app known as APK Pure, and I will provide you the link in the description, so you can just download it from there and install it in your smartphone. And guys, in this APK Pure, just wait, And now here if I type Instagram, so you can see Instagram is already installed and it's telling me to update it. So guys, let me just show you these all the apps present here can be updated from this APK Pure app itself and the PUBG Mobile. Yes, as you can see guys, here is the PUBG Mobile, and I also play PUBG Mobile in my Honor 9X Pro and it runs flawless. You can check my gaming review. I will leave the link in the description. And apart from that, this is what it is, and this is how you can download all the apps in your Honor 9X Pro without any problem. And yes, one more thing guys, many were asking me about the YouTube. So I told them that install this YouTube Vanced app. And guys, let me just show you channel. So this is me, my channel, and this is the Honor 9X Pro gaming, yeah, the gaming review thing. So let me just show you. Hello everyone, my name is Akash, and in this video we will see how's the gaming performance of Honor 9X Pro. And also it have all the premium features unlocked, like see this, it's running, and if I swipe it like this, so it's running in the background too. The first game I tested is the S49, and you can see its graphics are set to. So this is the advantage of using YouTube Vanced instead of the YouTube, and it will work without any problem. And guys, I highly recommend the smartphone, especially in the price segment. It's available for 14,999 and sold via Flipkart, so you can check that out. And this is all what I want to share in this video. And guys, I hope you like the video, and if you like it, so hit that like and subscribe to Akash Ship, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So take care.